of a successful run chase, going to 16 out of 18 games. Over here, Zest Kalyan Tigers won this game by 6 wickets and they retain their top position in the points table over here with another win over here. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemarg NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemarg NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Big thanks to our sponsors, title sponsor Rosemarg Limited, official streaming platform Waves OTT and DD Sports, associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Kene Titans, Sarva Mangal Equity Asset Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Asset Management LLP, Mirabai and the Lions, Move Moda Oroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tusker Zest. 1 point always, and they proved the point today by winning this game by 6 wickets. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation. Starting from my left, we have got Mr. Yusuf Javed, the guest of Mazgaon Cricket Club. Then we have got Ashish Sheikh, the vice chairperson of NMPL. Then to her left, we have got Mr. Vinod Banushali, MCA coach over here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being over here. First, can we have Jay Bista, the captain of the Titans? Jay, the batters didn't apply themselves that well. You could have got 40 more runs on this wicket.
I thought we could have got around 145, 150. That was that kind of wicket. I thought there was a bit of turn on the pitch. What I felt that we weren't that good enough in the field. There were a lot of laps in fielding and we didn't hit the right areas. And kudos to them, they actually outplayed us in all the 3 departments. So yeah, very well played to them, and we need to buckle up and come back better in the next game.
I was just coming out to that fielding point, but you already mentioned it. Tough luck today, but all the best for your future game.
Thank you so much.
Now time to call the winning captain, Divyan Saxena. The clever fox. Once again, your boys did the job very well, and today Sahil batted so well.
Yes, it was due for him to score the runs because in each game all of us was getting runs, but he was struggling a bit. But today he did the job for the team.
Quite happy the kind of performance you saw from your team?
Yes, there's still room for improvement in bowling, especially in power play and death bowling. But I think as the tournament goes on, we'll get better.
Kunal was on a hat-trick. Everyone was surprised that you didn't have 2 slip.
I don't think any of us had that idea because we were just looking to restrict them, and it was all a team environment. We weren't thinking about his personal milestone or anyone else's, but we were thinking of restricting as much as possible in the power play.
That's a good gesture. You're thinking more of a team. Well done. All the best for future games. Time to call upon the Player of the Match award. It is the left-hander, Sahil Gore, for scoring 53 runs. First, he will receive the trophy over here from Mr. Yusuf. Then, Zixer Strong Sunscreen from Ashimam over here. Then, he will receive Sculpted Nutrition from Mr. Vinod. Sahil. Runs were coming, but they were not coming as you were expecting. But today, finally, you played that innings which were needed.
Yeah, it was, I think, about time that I delivered for my team, and really good opportunity for me today to finish the job for my team, and really happy that we got those 2 points.
Yes, because everyone was getting the runs, but it was you only who were getting start, but couldn't get the big innings. But today, quite happy the way you batted.
Yeah, really happy. I think the plan was simple, to just inch closer to the total without playing those risky shots, and really happy that I could do it for my team finally.
Well done. All the best for future games. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all from this post-match presentation. See you tomorrow in the morning.